Alright guys, here we are at suite number 9. We're in Florence right now. Let's go on a quick room tour. I got kind of this little entryway deal here. There's a view off to the side. And there's Florence. You can see we're on the second floor right now.
And then straight ahead is the restroom, which is pretty fancy.
Very large bathroom, again with a window, got a bidet, walk-in shower, soaking tub, got kind of a mural.
I love this.
And then there's a view of the square we're on. You can open that up. And then there's more of the mural. The bedroom has its own little room here. That is they say it's a king-size bed, but that looks like a queen-size bed to me.
But it's nice.
Got a little desk, mini bar, and safe in there. And here's a bigger window with the view of the plaza, which you can see right out here.
We'll be getting some people watching with a glass of wine later.
Yeah. And then it's got there's another view of the bed, but it's got a very large, nice closet here with a mirror. So there's all of our luggage is in there right now. But, oh, TV on the wall, got that part. Got some nice little furniture. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. There's the ceiling, pretty fancy looking. And there you have it. Looks pretty nice. And it wasn't all that expensive for what it was.
And the location is fantastic.
This has kind of the same ceilings.
We're walking distance to the Duomo.
Yeah. Anyway, there you go.